Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make mutton chop masala. This dish is little rich but it's delicious. You can serve it with naan, roti or paratha. I post my recipes every Tuesday and Friday. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get all notifications. I am taking 500 grams mutton chops. I have already washed it but we don't need to marinate. 1 large size sliced onion, piyaj, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, adrak, half tablespoon garlic paste, lasun, 4 slitted green chilies, hari mirch, 1/3 cup tomato puree, 1/3 cup coriander leaves, dhania ke patte, coriander powder, dhania powder, cumin powder, jeera powder, garam masala powder, salt, namak, red chili powder, lal mirch powder, turmeric powder, haldi, some whole garam masala, half inch cinnamon stick, 4 pieces of green cardamom, 1 piece of black cardamom, 4 to 5 pieces cloves and 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorn. And I am using mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil if you want to. Heat up the pan. Keep the flame low to medium. I am adding 3 tablespoon oil. As I told you, this dish is little rich. It needs little more oil. Oil is hot now. Add whole garam masala, onion. Now we'll add mutton chop, ginger paste, garlic paste, green chili. You can add more chilies if you want to. Now saute the mutton with onion at least 10 minutes. Put the lid and keep stirring because at this point we are not adding water. After 10 minutes, now we'll add 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder and tomato puree. Salt according to taste. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. At this point, add very little hot water to saute it. If you need water, keep adding little by little but do not add too much. You have to saute it 10 more minutes on low to medium heat. Mix it very well. Put the lid again and keep stirring occasionally. It's been 10 minutes. Before adding the yogurt, I am going to keep the flame low or you can turn off it. Beat the yogurt very well. Mix it properly. I am adding half teaspoon garam masala powder and coriander leaves. Mix it again. You know what? Cooking time depends on quality of mutton, but it will take little longer. If you will cook slowly and keep stirring, then the mutton will taste better. You have to be patient. Now let it cook slowly on low heat for at least another 10 minutes, but keep stirring occasionally in between. If you need to add water, then add very little at a time, not too much. Let's check it now. As you can see, it has cooked perfectly. It took almost 30 minutes. You can also add ghee at this point if you like, but I am not adding. Now turn off the flame. Let's dish out. I am garnishing with some coriander leaves and ginger julienne. If you like this recipe, try to make it at home and let me know in the comment section below how you like it. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.